Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Tonight's little project is this little seat cleaner that I've built. Hold on tight, I'm going to show you what's going on inside, how I built it, how it works, the whole thing. Let's get right into it. Okay, let me show you how it works. First of all, we've got our vacuum on that side. Now that there's a hole through here, so this whole area is negatively pressurized due to the vacuum on that side. Then you feed your seed in through the top end, falls down this way. So going through this cascade, any little particles that are clinging to each other, they tend to loosen up and separate as they're going through here. Now, as you've got a negative pressure, you've got wind, the suction going through here and up here. So it actually sucks out all the light particles. Now, over here you can see it actually narrows down, so your highest pressure will be in this point over here. Once you go past that point, you go into this huge, massive open area, which means pressure reduction, which means your fines will tend to settle out, and that's what happens exactly here. It's got a little plate at the bottom, so all the fines settle out here, and then the absolute ultra fines that stays in suspension in the air, they actually go through and into your vacuum. Plain simple, no moving parts except for the vacuum cleaner. Oh, and then there's a venturi here at the top. I'll show you how that works. Just twists it open and shut in order to regulate the airflow, and that's it. So I'm going to stick it together again, put the everything on, and then show you how it works. And there we have it. I actually wanted to do this top plexiglass in see-through, and I missed it completely and got a sheet of white. So, but it'll do for now. Maybe someday I'll change it over to see-through. But due to the fact that we are housebound with our COVID lockdown, I cannot go anywhere. So this is what it is now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to fire it up and show you what comes out of it. Now this is a seed as it comes out of the bird cages, as you can see, everything and anything in there. So I'm going to fire it up and show you how it works. right? So now that we've got all the seed through, I'm going to open up this bottom latch here, where all the scrap and fines and stuff is collecting. And there we go. And there's the result. On the left hand side is the recycled seed. As you can see, still a little bit of fines in between, but not nearly as much as the stuff we've taken out. On this side there is absolutely nothing left there that we'd be able to use and feed to our birds. So absolute success. Like I say, the plans are available from the internet, easy build. I think in the long run you'll definitely save a lot of money, especially if you've got more than one pair of birds. Gents, with that I'm going to wrap up this video. As always, please rate, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay safe.